Hi smart students, welcome to English Learning Series Bahasa Inggris untuk Siswa SMP Kelas 8, Bab 1, Semester 1. Here I am, Rakhman Halim, and in this video, we are going to learn the first topic in Chapter 1, Getting One's Attention. Alright, without any further delay, let's get started by paying attention to the following short dialogue.
Sorry for disturbing you. Are you still busy?
No. What's up?
I don't know how to fill the employee form. Can you show me how to do it, please?
Sure. Prepare your data first.
Thank you so much.
It's all right.
Well, smart students, we have just paid attention to the short dialogue. And what do you say? Nah, para siswa, kita baru saja menyimak sebuah dialog singkat. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Is it easy to understand? Or it's too difficult for you? Untuk lebih memahami apa yang kita pelajari kali ini, mari kita jawab dulu beberapa pertanyaan berikut. Let's answer the following questions based on the dialogue. The first question, number 1. What will they do after the conversation? Number 2. How does the boy get the girl's attention? And number 3, the last one. What can you learn from the dialogue? Okay, let's answer the question. Question number 1. What will they do after the conversation? The answer is, showing and learning how to fill the employee's form. Question number 2. How does the boy get the girl's attention? By saying, sorry for disturbing you. Let's answer the question number 3. What can you learn from the dialogue? Yes, the answer is getting one's attention and responding to it. Baiklah para siswa, sebelum kita lanjutkan pembelajaran kali ini, mari kita lihat apa tujuan pembelajaran kita. So, this is our learning objectives. After studying this topic, the students are able to identify expression of getting one's attention, compose their own simple dialogue text, and perform it, then record it into the form of short video. Tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini adalah setelah mempelajari topik ini diharapkan siswa mampu mengidentifikasi ungkapan tindakan meminta perhatian dan responnya. Tujuan yang kedua adalah menulis teks dialog sederhana tentang tindakan meminta perhatian dan responnya. Okay, smart students, now we are going to watch another animation video of getting one's attention. Mari kita simak sebuah dialog animasi berikutnya yang juga menggunakan ungkapan meminta perhatian dan meresponnya.
Arya, please pay attention. I have good news for us.
What's that?
Our band is invited to perform as an opening band at a virtual charity concert.
Wow, that's cool. When?
Next Sunday at 10 a.m. Let me share the information in our group chat.
Yup, we should prepare for it well.
Of course.
Nah, pada dialog tadi kita juga bisa mencermati bahwa kedua tokoh atau speakers menggunakan ungkapan getting one's attention and responding. Apakah kalian tahu seperti apa ungkapan getting one's attention dalam dialog tadi dan bagaimana meresponnya? Alright, smart students, do you know what does the speaker say to get someone's attention? And what does the other speaker responding to it? Nah, jawabannya adalah, Arya, please pay attention, I have good news for us. Sementara, what's that? Is the response. Well, smart students, now it's time to practice our listening skill. we are going to listen to a dialogue attentively and complete the dialogue based on what you have heard. Nah, para siswa, sekarang mari kita berlatih listening. Kita akan mendengarkan audio pada dialog 3 dan tugas kalian adalah melengkapi dialog yang tersedia berdasarkan apa yang kalian dengarkan. Silakan mengerjakan.
Listen to the dialogues. Complete the dialogues based on what you have heard.
Excuse me. I must check your temperature before entering the bookstore.
Yes, please.
Your temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. Now, I will spray your hands with hand sanitizer.
I am sorry. My hands are sensitive. I prefer washing my hands with soap.
Sure, it's over there.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Ya, baiklah para siswa, setelah kita mendengarkan dialog tadi, maka waktunya sekarang kita untuk mengecek jawaban. Apakah benar jawaban kalian? Baik, dalam dialog, security berkata, ya, excuse me, I must check your temperature before entering the bookstore. Excuse me, ya. Kemudian Tari berkata, yes please. Your temperature is, number 2, 36 degrees Celsius. Now, I will spray your hands with hand sanitizer. Tadi menjawab, I'm sorry, my hands are sensitive. Jawaban keempat adalah sensitive. I prefer washing my hands with soap. Kemudian security berkata, sure, it's over there. Tadi mengucapkan thank you dan diakhiri dengan don't mention it. Getting someone's attention is a kind of expression that we often use in daily basic conversation. There are some other common expression of getting someone's attention and responding to it. Alright, smart students, to sum up, let's check out the following explanation. Nah, para siswa, ungkapan meminta perhatian dan meresponnya merupakan ungkapan yang sering kita gunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Nah, berikut terdapat beberapa variasi ungkapan getting one's attention and responding. There are various expressions we can apply when we want to get someone's attention.
Excuse me. Listen to me, please. Could I have your attention, please? Please pay attention. I'll tell you an announcement. Would you please try to concentrate now? Wait a moment, please. I'm sorry to bother you. Sorry to disturb you.
Sedangkan untuk menunjukkan perhatian, kita bisa mengatakan to show our attention, we can say,
Really? I see. Then? What's next? What happened next? Tell me more about it. It's that all?
The next question is why we should show our attention to others. Tentu saja jawabannya adalah agar terjalin hubungan yang baik antara kita dengan orang lain saat berkomunikasi. Para siswa, bagaimana? Apakah kalian sudah memahami berbagai variasi ungkapan meminta dan meresponnya? Baiklah, jangan lupa untuk tugas di rumah, silakan menulis atau menyusun sebuah dialog atau percakapan sederhana sesuai dengan topik Getting Someone's Attention. Smart students, we have already done one of the English learning series topic, expression of getting one's attention. I do hope you can understand the explanation. And finally, I'm Rakhman Halim. I have to sign off. Thanks for joining the English learning series. See you again for the next topic.